Removing and replacing the coils. Remove the electrical connectors from the coils, followed by the small Phillips head screw, securing the coils to the gas valve assembly. Once the screw is removed, simply lift the coils off of the gas valve assembly. Slide the new coils back onto the gas valve assembly and replace the Phillips head screw to secure it into place. Once the coils are secured back into place, replace the electrical connections to them. These connections cannot be interchanged.